All right, so the answer to this problem is going to be positive 21. Now, I want you to take a moment. And I want you to try the other problems. You're going to subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger number. All right, were you able to get what I got? Okay, we're going to take a moment in class and we'll go over the answers together. All right, guys, let's talk about what we do when we subtract two integers. When we subtract two integers, we're going to use the rule keep, change. And we'll talk about what keep, change means. Okay? Basically, when we are keep, change, we're going to keep the first number the same. So we'll keep the first number the same. We will change the first sign. And we will change the sign on the first number. So we'll change the sign on the first number. Miss Bennett is going to go through one with you, and then you will try on your own. Here we go. Keep, change. I'm only going to do this when I am subtracting. So I notice I'm subtracting. I'm going to do a keep, change. I'm going to keep the first number 42 the same. I'm going to change the sign to addition. And then I'm going to change the sign of the, and I'm sorry, I'm noticing, guys, I put the first number. This is actually the second number. Okay, so we're going to change the sign of the second number. Sorry, not the first number. I'm going to change the sign of the second number. So I'm going to change this negative 21 to a positive 21. And if I look at this, keep, change, that's really just 42 plus 21. And if I add those together, I would end up with a 63. All right, let's do another keep, change over here. I notice that I'm subtracting. Now in this case, I'm going to keep the first number the same. This is negative 52. I'm going to change the sign of the in the middle. So I'm changing it to a positive. And now look, I notice this 14. It is actually going to be negative. That negative goes with the 14. So I change the positive 14 right here. I make it negative. Keep, change. Okay, so this is really saying negative 52 minus 14. We know two negatives just makes a bigger negative, right? We're going to keep the sign like before. And then we just add the numbers. 52 plus 14. Well, that is going to be negative 66. Okay, keep, change. The last one, guys, we'll keep the number the same, 5. We're going to change to addition. Okay, and we're going to change the last number. That is actually a negative 19. And now I know, hey, this is the case when the signs are different. Uh-oh, that means that my answer's got to be negative because that 19 is bigger. And then I'm just subtracting 19 minus 5. 19 minus 5, well, 19 minus 5 is going to be 14. All right, guys, I got some practice problems. I want you to try keep, change, change.